programs have run. We're down from lawn chair mode, and I'm just zooming in on the camera that won't focus. Yes, it will. Cuss at it hard enough, it'll focus. I mean, if you look at this machine surface, that's insane. I mean, those are fingerprints compared to the not microscopic. We're talking 5,000ths per pass, cross-hatched. Very nice. So, detailed bits like the cannon breech, missile launch system, top hatches, those will all be rapid prototype, but the aim of this experiment is to make a large bulk piece like this that's still production worthy, but I don't have to pay for rapid prototyping 3D printing of this. I could just make bits and bobs that stick on it, basically, becomes a hybrid, and saves the clients money. And I get to finally put this thing to use. Alright, signing off.